Hey, Sandeep here. We are today heading to Pinawa Dam. I'm waiting for one of my friends to pick me up. We'll get some Tim Hortons maybe, warm up, get a bagel or something, and then head out to Pinawa Dam. I'll bring you guys along. So we have arrived at Pinawa Dam, Provincial Park. There was no cars in the parking lot. Absolutely amazing. No one's here. It's just me and my friend. It's a beautiful day. It's -4. Snow is starting to melt. It's gonna be perfect. Oh, it was too hot. I had to take off my jacket. It's March and it's -4 and I'm actually taking off my jacket because I'm feeling so warm. Never happened before. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me actually because there's a huge waterfall over here. This is why I love coming to Pinawa Dam in the winter, because every time I've been here, the water never freezes, and there's snow all around it, but the water is going strong, and the sound of the water is something else, especially in the winter when the water in other places usually freeze. It's something else, just the sound of the rushing water. That's why Pine Point Rapids and Pinawa Dam are one of my favorite places to visit in the winter. There are obviously other places too, but these are the places for the rushing water. Yeah. Oh my god, that was so scary. Usually when I come to Pinawa in the winter, it's very cold. This year in Manitoba it wasn't that cold, so this was the perfect day to explore Pinawa Dam. I haven't explored this much as I've done like this year. I haven't done that in my last few visits in the winter. But yeah, it's fun. I hope you get to see it. So, never been in this place before. First time ever. Absolutely amazing. I'm surprised I haven't checked this out before. I don't understand why people graffiti this. Why is there this graffiti? There's graffiti everywhere. What's happening? Made it back to my place. It was a half-day trip. Left my place around 9 a.m. and got back around 1:30. But how do I describe this day? This half-day trip was absolutely perfect. The sun was shining. The water was rushing through the snow, and snow was strong enough for us to stand on it. So it was perfect. We could get very close to the falls, and yeah, it was amazing. I wish I could have filmed more, but I couldn't because I was just having way too much fun exploring the nature with my friend, who was there for the first time since I think a decade, right? So this was the first time he was there, and I was like showing him places around, and he was just having a very good day, and me too. Like, I was having way too much fun exploring the place, so I forgot to film. I'm sorry about that. I will try to get better at that next time. It was a very good half day. This goes to show, if you want to actually travel places in Manitoba, I know it's far away from Winnipeg, an hour and a half. There are many different places that are a little bit more longer of a commute, but that's what makes it special. If it was like in Winnipeg, it wouldn't be like. I'm just trying to show you a different perspective, that you can actually have day trips. You just need to have determination to go out, get up early, go out, have fun, come back. Yeah, it becomes more challenging for people who doesn't have a mode of transportation, who doesn't have friends that want to go with them. So I understand that aspect of it, but you can't say that you can't make it a day trip. A few days ago, went snowboarding in Mississippi. That was a day trip. I drove 4 hours in the morning, snowboarded, drove 4 hours back. And that day was so special for me because I'm almost ready to say I can snowboard very good. Fell down a lot, but that was a great day. That was a day trip. I drove 8 hours in a day just to get to that location, snowboard, and come back. That's what made it special, because it's way too far, and it's like once a season trip, right? I can't do it every single day. But it was absolutely amazing. If you guys like to snowboard, I would highly recommend Mississippi. But yeah, I hope you explore a lot more. Winter gets a bad rep here in Manitoba because it gets way too cold. But this winter it wasn't that cold, it was manageable. There were a few weeks that were very too cold, but it was manageable, so I took advantage of it. Hopefully you guys did it too. Summer's coming up. Let's see if we can do some more adventures in summer. Explore new places. Just forgot to say to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment, share if you have any thoughts about day trips here in Manitoba, Pinawa. What did you think about it? Follow me on my adventures with me.